Hey everyone, in our past video we saw that we will be building this template in a WordPress website. So the first criteria is to install WordPress locally. So some of you may have a hosting, a domain, and that is great if you have your own domain and hosting. If you do not have your domain and hosting and you still want to learn it, that's not a problem. In that case, what we need to do is we need to um, install WordPress locally on our computer. And there are a lot of tools that you can use to install WordPress and start building your website. I use a tool called Local, which is by a company called Flywheel. And this is probably the easiest way you can create a website locally without having any domain and hosting. So I have installed this tool on my machine and I have opened this up. I'm going to add a new local site. You have to come to this plus button and then you have to click on create new site, continue, and then you have to give your site's name. I'm going to call it, let's say, plumbing. And then I'm going to hit continue. You can go to the advanced options, but that's not necessary now. And just select the preferred option, click continue, give your WordPress username and password. Since I'm building this on a local machine and nobody is going to use this machine except me, I'm gonna just type admin as the username and password. I'm gonna keep the default email. I'm not even bothering about that right now. I'm gonna click add site and it will add the site. And it will also install WordPress on top of that. It will take a couple of minutes to set up correctly. So let's just wait for it. And if you're on a Mac, it will prompt you for your password. As you can see, installing WordPress, adding WordPress. Okay, let's give it some time to install. While it is being installed, let's discuss about what we are going to do. So this is the header. It has the logo, it has the menu, it has the call to action button, and you have a footer, and then you have this information which you have to add into the home page. So if you have noticed, all of the pages, and I'm going to show you a couple of pages, you see the header on this page is similar to the header on this page and is again similar to the header on this page. And same is the thing with the footer. So the footer on our work page, the footer on the pricing page, the footer on the home page, it's all the same. So here's the point. In any website you will see, or in majority of websites you will see, that the header and the footer is exactly the same. So what we will do is we will create the header and the footer in a template and then we will use it on all the pages. And I'll show you how. Okay, so our website has been installed and I'm going to do a quick thing here before I open the WP admin. And I'm going to click on one-click admin and I'm going to show you why I'm going to do it. So when you click on this WP admin, it will open the admin page for you and you have to add your username and password here. You have to type it every time you want to log in, and you write on the dashboard. But if you want to avoid that thing, okay, my time limit for this recording is about to end, so I'm gonna talk about it on the next video. See you on the next one.